What is up, guys? Welcome to episode 5 of the 40-day keto challenge. No cheats, no alcohol. Can you do it? Alright, so today is day 40. I can't believe it. It's already gone by that fast. We're doing these every week, these vlogs, so if you haven't checked them out, there is a playlist. Be sure to check it out. We also did one last year of a 30-day challenge. Anyway, we're gonna get right into the meat and potatoes of this episode. We are doing tracking. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your macros and how to track and what I do to track with the free MyFitnessPal app and all that good stuff. So later on, we're going to go over my parents for dinner. On the weekends, I typically don't track. I just kind of eyeball things. I've been tracking for a long time, so I know where my calories should be at. Sometimes I will put it in, but I'll just estimate. I won't bring my food scale or anything like that over. Let's get right into setting up your macros, how to set them up, and how to track. Alright, what we have here is the first meal of the day. It is 4 o'clock, so I got in a good 16-hour fast. We've got 3 eggs cooked in butter with sausage, spinach, and a leftover chicken wing. Let's track it. Alright, here we go. We're going to go into the MyFitnessPal app, and then we are going to hit this bottom plus button here, click food, and since this is our first meal, it's technically, I guess, lunchtime. I'll probably have dinner shortly after that. So we'll click lunch, track it under lunch, and then you can type it in here in the search bar, eggs. I have eggs almost every day, so it's already there. So I put there, I got 3 eggs. This is what's cool too, the more you use it, it remembers all the stuff. So I typically have this as one of my first meals. So I've already got spinach. I use 1 ounce of spinach. I use 1 tablespoon of Kate's butter, so that's in there as well. And I don't know if my sausage is in there, but that's alright. So we put those 3 things in there, click the check mark. Alright, so we got 3 eggs, spinach, and butter, and then we got to put the sausage in there. So if we just start typing in the search bar sausage, if I know how to spell, sausage patty, there it is. I had one the other day, so that's the Jones 1 patty sausage, so I just click the check, so then that gets tracked there too. So see, simple as that. There is the first meal. Oh, I almost forgot my chicken wing. So let's put in chicken wing. Chicken wing, oh, came right up. So baked chicken wings, that's what I put that under, and I only had, it was 2, but it's actually really just 1 chicken wing. It was 2, a half. I don't know, 2 halves or whatever. So yeah, anyway, it ended up being 1 chicken wing. So we'll put in one chicken wing. There's that. So there we go. If we turn it sideways, you can see that first meal, it shows you the calories. So 521 calories, 1 carb, 43 fat, and 31 protein. There is a meal number 1. Alright, here we go. We're going to go into Safari, and we're going to, if you don't have it, you can search for, what is it? This one. healthyeater.com, and you can calculate your keto macros there. There's a bunch of these calculators online. You can try them all out. I like this one. This one does a really good job. So anyway, we'll go down here. Let's say we're doing a 40-year-old male. And he's 145 pounds, 5 foot, let's say he's 5'8", and normal body mass. And then we're going to go into lose. You can do slower if you want to lose only 10%, but I like to use just the lose thing there too. I also like to, especially if you're doing resistance training, you want to set up your protein macros to be high. So I prefer to do that. So then it calculates, well, we're going to click calculate macros. So you can see it gave us 19 grams of carbohydrates, 116 of protein, and 105 grams of fat for the day. If you switch that to normal, you can see how it switches. Protein goes a little bit lower, but like I said, I think you should not be afraid of getting in your protein. Protein is very important, especially if you are weight training. So see, it'll change if we did lose 10%. Let's see what it does there. So carbs go a little bit higher to 21. Same protein if you're losing 10%, and you get to have more fat. So this is, I guess, closer to like your standard keto diet, where it'd be more like 70% fat, 25% or so protein and just 5% carbs. But again, quick lose. Always want to stay at sedentary too. Even if you are highly active, you can change these and mess around with them. See what works for you. But I like to choose sedentary and go with that so I get some good calories. So yeah, 1482 for this person. And yeah, that's a good way to get your macros set. And then track it in MyFitnessPal. Meal number 2, we made some tacos. I'm using romaine lettuce to keep things keto. So here it is on my food scale. Let's measure out. That's zeroed out. There we go. Grab some ground turkey. I'll put them inside these romaine lettuce wraps. I'm not tracking the romaine because there's really not much to it. You can track it if you want. Like if I'm having a big salad, then I'll probably do that. But anyway, I'm gonna track these out. You can see right there, there's just 1.4 ounces. So I'll keep going until I fill these up. All right, so we got our ground turkey in there. We had 7 ounces, track that. Sour cream, 1/2 ounce. And then here's a really cool feature. We're gonna add the sauce, the taco sauce. So anything that's got a little scanner on it, you just click the little scan button there, and then it comes up. See, we'll scan that, and it gives you 1 tablespoon, which is about what I had. 1 tablespoon, and we click check. There we go. Good to go. Meal number 2, dinner is served. I had to put a little bit of cheese on there. Parker, what do you have to show me, bud?
My Beyblades. I got this one today, and this one is from my birthday, and Bryson gave me this.
That's cool.
And I only have 1 of these because I lost the other one.
Alright, show us how they work, man.
Put this in an R. You can put it in the L if you want, but it's the opposite way. I put it in the R. And you have to stick the things in the hole. Then you have to twist it. Then you rip this like this.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it exploded! Ah!
It's supposed to burst, and I.
You what?
Ha!
What's happening?
I'm setting this one up. This one came with this one, and this one came with this one. So.
Oh, okay. They're interchangeable. You can use them for all different things.
Yeah, we can mix and match them, and then it looks like a face right here, right?
Sweet.
A face right here. Ah.
Whoa! That one's going so good.
But if
when does it explode?
It explodes when it hits something hard.
That's cool.
Then your Beyblade is smaller than your opponent's one.
Yeah.
You have more of a chance to win.
That thing's still spinning. That's pretty cool.
This one is better, but this one's better.
Yeah.
And I can rip this one harder. I can go like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a movie night. Look what Mommy made for you guys. Look at these.
Oh.
Oh,
you guys share. You can get refills.
Candy salad. None of this is for Daddy. Definitely not keto. What do you got there? That's a cool little Minecraft root beer float. What are you eating?
Candy salad.
Candy salad?
Popcorn.
Let me see your.
I have tried.
Look at your root beer float in a Chewy mug. That's pretty cool. How's the float, Andrew? So another cool thing that the MyFitnessPal app does is you can create recipes. So I went in and I created this recipe. This is what I'm gonna have for my final snack. These little protein fat bombs. So all it is 2 scoops of vanilla whey protein, 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then a tablespoon of sun butter. You could use peanut butter. I'm allergic to peanut butter, so I use sun butter. And these are pretty cool. So I'll have about I'm gonna have about 6 of these. I actually haven't even tried one yet. This little tray, it's cool. They pop right out. So I can have 6 of these to fit my macros for the day. Wow, that was really good. It was the first time. Look at how dense that is. It's not focusing. Cover my face. There you go. These are really good. So I can have 6 of these to fit my macros. I did have 3.5 ounces of some rotisserie chicken too after I had those tacos because I needed to get in some more calories. Oh, it's cold. Sorry. But basically, you can see your macros for the day. All right. So when you're in your log for the day, your food log for the day, thing I like to do is go down to the very bottom. And I keep track of the stuff. You click on Nutrition tab, and it brings up all your macros. So as you can see, I'm at, can't get that to focus. I'm at 11 grams of carbs for the day, and this is going to finish up. I'm not going to eat anymore because I'm at about 1,300 calories, which is kind of low, but it's a low day. I'll probably eat more tomorrow. So 11 carbs. That's 87 grams of fat. And 114 grams of protein. I like to shoot for 126 grams of protein. That is my main goal as of lately. So I've lowered my fats a little bit, but yeah, that's a pretty good day of eating. I hope this tracking helped you guys out. So you're looking at about 61% fat, 36% protein, and just 3% carbs. So good day overall. What are you doing wearing my clothes?
Nothing.
Let me see your pants. Oh, your shoes fell off.
I'm a wizard.
Those are my shorts, but they look like pants on you. You're a wizard? He's got mama's clothes on. Aww. Let me see, Chase. Chasey, let me see.
Casey, I see. Sally.
Nice sandals.
Yeah.
Is mama's pants? Got a new scooter?
Yeah, let's ride.
Go ride. Whoa, those are your brakes?
Yeah.
Those are sweet.
That's where we can start at the video.
Yep. Go. Whoa, you're fast. Those are so cool.
Jump.
You can do a trick jump? Whoa. You're doing jumps and stuff? You're crazy. We're gonna have a pre-Easter egg hunt. Hey guys, come here. I got a surprise.
Surprise!
Nana has a surprise.
Yeah, surprise! No. We're gonna have an Easter egg hunt.
How'd you know that?
Ava told me.
Nana told you?
No, Ava.
Oh, Ava told
Nana
you?
told me.
Well, guess what? That little Easter bunny right there just hid everything.
Everybody gets 4 eggs that have something inside of them, okay? There's 3 eggs that are just toys that you guys can take turns playing with. And everybody gets at least 1 egg that has $1 in it. So just everybody collect 4 eggs, and then we'll make sure everybody has $1.
Go!
No, that's my egg.
There's other ones, just go.
Keep looking.
That's my one.
So everybody gets 4 that has something inside of it.
Oh, that's a big one, Parker. Jack.
I only have one more left. Got it!
Okay, Ava's got 4.
Oh, candy spill. Oh no, candy! Let me see. Okay, we got more. Come on.
Here, ready? Want to put your egg in here. Close it for now. Let's go find 3 more, okay? Okay, you found the 2 toy ones.
found 2?
You gotta find,
2 toy ones?
yes, you gotta find 4 with something in it.
What? Yeah!
Yeah. Good job, Jack.
Mama,
Yep.
Oh,
can you hold this one?
good one.
That's all right.
Parker, go on the other side, bud. You got 4, Chase?
Yeah.
Good job.
Parker and Jack still gotta
Ava's got
find
4.
Jack's egg.
I'm gonna open it.
Come over this way, guys.
Do you want to open all of our eggs at the same time?
Jack, look at Daddy. Jack, look at Daddy. Jack, look at Daddy.
Come here, buddy.
Stop opening your egg!
Hey, you can open it.
Up here.
I found a dollar. Dad, I found a dollar.
Good job.
Dad, I found a dollar.
What do you have, Jack? What's that? What do you have?
I found a dollar and candy!
Oh my goodness.
What's in there, Jack?
Candy!
Candy. And what else?
N-R!
Money?
Annie, yeah.
Money? What do you got, Chase?
Yeah! Money! Candy! Money!
Oh, yeah.
$3 and free candy.
Nice. Snack time. Yummy. Keto friendly. Cheers.